This video goes over indexing your actuator when installing a Price Intelligent Controller or PIC on a terminal unit. All content in this video is available online. Price controls ship with a white plastic keeper tied to the actuator motor with an elastic band. This keeps the PIC from moving when the actuator is turning, but still allows it to float to avoid binding on the shaft when the controls are screwed firmly in place. Take note of the gray pivot clutch on the actuator, located directly below the green terminal block. You must depress the actuator clutch to unlock and rotate the actuator. Rotate the damper shaft all the way in one direction. Note the notch in the shaft. This indicates the damper's current position. Mount the PIC by sliding the actuator U-bolt over the damper. The back end of the PIC should be secured by the white plastic keeper. Next, depress the gray pivot clutch and rotate all the way in the same direction the shaft was rotated. Tighten the nuts on the U-bolt clamp and secure the actuator to the shaft. Press the clutch again and verify the actuator can rotate through the full 90 degrees of motion. Note, it does not matter if you choose clockwise or counterclockwise to rotate the shaft and actuator before tightening the nuts. The PIC will calibrate on power. All that matters is that the damper shaft and the actuator have a full 90-degree range of motion.